I'm your host, Raymond. Do you know that free radicals could actually be an early indicator of water quality? They give you more information about the role of free indicators in water treatments, as well as what it can do to enhance Taiwan's aquaculture industry. I'm very happy to be joined by Ashley Wu, Sales Manager of Shenzhen Biotechnology. Hello, Ashley. Would you firstly say hi to our viewers?
Hello everyone, I'm actually from Shenzhen Biotech. It's very honored to be here.
Okay, so off you go, Ashley, to introduce the products from Shenzhen.
Okay, today I'm going to talk about the concept of free radicals and how it can be used in the aquaculture industry and aquaculture in Taiwan and in other countries as well. And also, SQ Biotech is a company that focuses on the water treatment in aquaculture and aquaculture industry. And it's actually the products actually are designed by a team from National Tsinghua University. And today I'm going to introduce two products especially.
As you can see here.
Yes,
on the table.
yes. Later I'm going to explain how it works. Okay. So we know that water is very important in aquaculture and aquaculture industry because all the microorganisms and the life depends on the water. So the water is very important. In aquaculture industry, we all know that everyone in this industry will see how the numbers in the water to see the quality of the water is bad or good, right?
That's very important.
Yes, and there's something that is missed in the water treatment because most of the people in aquaculture industry didn't notice there's a concept called free radicals. In the field research we did in Taiwan, we found there were lots of different diseases involved in the fishery ponds. And then we examined all the data, they were actually quite normal. And we start to think what caused the microorganism and the species.
Yeah, what went wrong?
Something went wrong, and what was behind it. So the team of our companies found there's something called free radicals in the water, and that will greatly influence the species.
That is the missing part you're talking about.
That is the topic of our presentation today. Okay. So in the world, normal substance, they are stable, but once they got stimulations from smoke or radiation or air pollution or UV rays, they will generate free radicals and become exciting the status.
Okay.
For example, the oxygen is the normal status in the world. But once the oxygen got stimulated, they will become super oxidized, just like the right side of the mini.
Okay.
Yeah. So free radicals means if there's more amount of the free radicals in the environment, that means there's more stimulation in the environment, which is bad to the organism, including people.
All right. So free radical means the minion goes crazy.
Goes crazy. So if there's more amount of the free radicals, that means that the environment is bad for the fishes or for the humans. Okay. Understand? Okay. So the damage of the free radicals, they are mainly to the DNA, lipids, and protein. So for example, if we got too much exposure to the free radicals, that means we will got more damages. It will influence the immune system in the organisms or in our body. Okay.
That's not what we want.
And that will lead to the death of the cells. So if just imagine if the free radicals, there's more free radicals in the water, that means the fishes in the water will have more chance to get sick and even die. So that's very important to the aquaculture. Everybody in aquaculture and agriculture as well. Because the water is really important for all the species. So now we're going to talk about where are the sources of the free radicals.
Yeah, we don't want free radicals.
Yeah, where they're from, right?
Where do they come from?
So basically, the free radicals are from air pollution and the microorganisms in the subsoil. Okay, so we all know that there's lots of the particles and the dust in the water,
Yeah.
right? If the water pollution gets worse, the free radicals will attach to the dust in the air, and they will fall into the ponds with the rain.
Okay.
So basically, in the sunny days and in the rainy days. So, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a very simple question. In the
Professor
sunny
Wu,
days,
okay.
yeah, in the sunny days and in the rainy days, which days will have there will be like more free radicals in the water?
I think during the rainy days there will be more free
Yes,
radicals.
exactly. Why?
I got it right?
Yes,
Thank
exactly. This is a very simple question.
Yes.
Because in the rainy days, the dust will fall into the
Yeah.
ponds, and there are more pollution in the water. That means the water will get worse.
And
which
that's
is
also
the-
bad for the fish
Yeah,
in the pond.
Yeah, it will be really bad for all the species in the water. And there's another source of the free radicals. They come from the microorganism. Do you
Okay.
know why microorganisms will produce free radicals?
Is it because
Why?
microorganisms are everywhere, maybe in some dirty places?
Yeah,
So they will carry something bad with them?
yes, basically the microorganism, they generate free radicals because they want to survive and compete with other microorganisms in the water as well.
Right, that's why.
Okay, so because everyone in the industry, they will use antibiotics, right?
Yes,
Everyone
yes.
use the antibiotics to kill the bad bacteria in the water, so the fish can grow healthy, right?
Yes.
Okay. So because of the use of the antibiotics, there's more. There's a bad things in the water, and the microorganism will generate the free radicals to kill the antibiotics because they want to
okay.
survive. But however, not all of the bacteria will be killed. So those who don't get killed, they will mutate and become a stronger type of organism.
Okay, it's even worse.
Yes, it's worse. It's
Okay.
sort of like a vicious cycle.
Yeah.
So the microorganism, they will generate free radicals to uptake other organic matters
Yeah.
as well. So because the use of the antibiotics and the other things, so there are more free radicals in the water, basically.
Okay.
Basically.
Got it.
Okay. If there's more environmental free radicals, that will mean the fish will get killed.
Yeah,
will
you see
sink.
the fishes crying in the picture.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So the purpose of the microorganism,
Yes.
they generating the free radicals because they want to survive and compete.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the scientific study we found in other countries. We found that E. coli will generate free radicals as well
Yeah.
under the water and the sunlight. Okay. Let's go quickly. So there basically are two types of the free radicals, and we focus on. There's one thing called superhydroxyl. This is very highly active and toxic. So that means
Okay.
if
The bad ones.
yes, if the number of these free radicals is higher, that means it's really bad
Yes.
to us. So in our study, we detect the number of the superoxide to see if the water quality is good or not. So in today's presentation, we're going to introduce these two products from Shenzhen.
Okay.
This one is we call the detector of the free radicals.
Okay, the detector of
The
free
detect-
radicals.
Free
From
radicals.
Shenzhen.
Yeah, how we know how much free radicals in the water, right? So these will help us to understand how much the free radicals
Okay.
are in the water. And this one is what we call the neutralizer of free radicals.
Okay,
neutralize.
It's like the solution.
It's
to the
basically
problem.
it's basically the solution to the problem in the water treatment.
Alright.
Because once the first one, we need to know how much the free radicals are. Copy. So in the following slides, let me show you how it was designed.
Yeah,
It's
this
basically-
helps us find out the problem.
Yes. Basically,
Okay.
the free radicals in the water will work with the chemicals, so they can produce
Yeah.
the fluorescence.
Yes.
So once we use these products in the water and it is dissolved, we can test to see how much the fluorescence it contains.
Okay.
It contains. So if it has the more fluorescence in the water, that means what?
The worse the environment is.
Yes, exactly. So as you can see, the intensity of fluorescence represents concentration of the free radicals. Okay. So there are some benefits of the free radicals detector. It can help us to judge the water of the quality, and it can also help the farm fishery farmers to know when to use the antibiotics or probiotic to adjust the free radicals in the water.
Yes.
So they will know when they should use the treatment in the water. Okay, because once the water gets bad, it will be too late for they for they can do something to stop the damage.
We have to take action early.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So these are basically what we found once we can use the detector of the free radicals.
Yes.
We can see in the rainy days, the water sample we collect in Jiayi, Yunlin, the clam ponds, we can see the water contains more free radicals because the water contains more fluorescence, and the free radicals comes from the rain, the dust, the air pollution. Okay. And also, once we use the detectors, it can help us to obtain all the information of the water quality. There might be something that is unknown, but once we know how much free radicals in the water, then we can do something about it.
Okay.
So it's the detector will help us to take some precautionary measures.
It's kind of like a body check of the pond.
Yes, exactly. When the doctors needs to know the patient is healthy or not, they will use something to detect exactly the same theory. So these are the benefits once you can use the free radicals. It can help us to detect the quality of the water, except the indicators that we use traditionally, like the amount of the ammonia or dissolved oxygens or other indicators that we use mostly. So let's go quickly to the next one. So if we have more free radicals in the water, how we can do something about it? This is the solution of our products. Okay, this is the solution of our products. That is the main important product. Because just imagine, if there is lots of the bad things in the water, what we can do about it?
Yeah.
We should get rid of the free radicals. Right? We should reduce the amount of the free radicals. Once there's less of free radicals in the water, that means it's a much more healthier environment for the fishes of the shrimps, right? Okay, so this is what we call the neutralizer because it can be dissolved in the water. And it will generate the free radicals to decompose the toxic in the water. So it's what we call the neutralizer because it's nature, it's extractions from the plant. the plant.
Okay.
So it's basically
It's all natural.
It's all natural. It's all natural.
It's not harmful for the fish as well.
Yes, it's 100% environmentally
Friendly, yes.
yes, harmless to all the species.
Okay.
Okay. And these two products can be used together to see as a solution in aquaculture industry.
So you have a total solution here.
Basically, and we today in our presentation, because the concept of free radicals is not very well known in the industry, because traditionally other people will see ammonia or other indicators to see the as treatment or indicators to examine if when the water quality gets worse, right? And now we provide another concept for everyone in this industry to see as a solution in this industry, because the water is really important. And now we have another indicators to see when we should do something to make the water gets better. Okay. So the following slide shows these products. It's what we call ND. It's basically no harm and easy to process for this industry.
Yes.
It works under the sunlight. It will generate something to kill the bad things like toxins or microorganisms
In the water.
Yeah, basically. Okay, so quickly. So basically, in general, we see this is 100% natural,
Okay.
and it's harmless to the environment. Okay, so that's all the presentation for today.
Yeah, thank you so much to Ashley. I feel like I went to a class in college about free radicals. Thank you so much, Professor Wu.
No, I'm not. I'm just today it's very honored to be here because this is a great opportunity for us to introduce these good products of Taiwan, and we hope that the companies from other countries can see the good sides of the products and innovative products, and if we are looking for that we will have like chance to work with other companies from
overseas, in other countries. So okay, buyers, viewers all over the world, you're seeing what Taiwan can actually do, what Shengquan can actually offer to you to really improve the aquaculture environment. So if you need more information, talk to Ashley, talk to Shengquan.
Please go to our website to look for more information if you want to know more details about water treatment.
Yeah, so I would like to thank you once again, Ashley, for your time, for sharing so much with us today.
Same here.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye, and thank you, Ashley. Thank you.
Thank you.